Hello, my friends. Welcome to today's shadowing practice lesson. Shadowing instructions. Play the text in sections of 3 to 5 minutes. Shadow the speaker repeat at the same time with focus on rhythm and intonation. Do not stop if you make mistakes, just keep going. Practice each section 2 or 3 times until it feels natural. Our topic is how to stay healthy in the modern world. Health is not something we can buy. It is not something we can borrow. It is something we must build, protect, and care for every single day. In today's fast-paced world, we face many challenges. Long working hours, stress, lack of exercise, and too much screen time. So how can we stay healthy in this modern lifestyle? We will talk about 6 pillars of health. Daily habits, nutrition, exercise, mental health, sleep, balance in life. Repeat after me. Health is my greatest wealth. I will take care of it. Part 1. Daily habits for a strong foundation. Your daily habits are like seeds. What you do every single day will grow into the tree of your life. If you drink water every morning, if you eat a healthy breakfast, if you stretch for 5 minutes, if you walk instead of always driving, then, step by step, you are building a strong foundation. Let's imagine 2 people. One person wakes up late, skips breakfast, drinks only coffee, and feels tired all day. Another person wakes up early, drinks a glass of water, eats some fruit, and goes for a short walk. Who will feel better after 1 week, after 1 month, after 1 year? Repeat after me. Small habits today create big health tomorrow. Ask yourself, what one habit can I start today to improve my health? Part 2. Nutrition. Food is medicine. In the modern world, food is everywhere. We see fast food, fried food, sugary drinks, and colorful snacks. They look attractive. They taste good. But inside, they bring little nutrition and often harm our health. So what is good nutrition? It is not about being on a strict diet. It is not about counting every calorie. It is about making wise choices. Choose vegetables of different colors: green broccoli, red tomatoes, orange carrots, purple eggplants. Each color brings different vitamins and minerals. Choose whole grains, not just white bread or instant noodles. Choose healthy fats like nuts, seeds, olive oil, and avocado. And remember, water is the drink of life. Not soda, not energy drinks, not too much coffee. Repeat after me. What I eat today decides how I feel tomorrow. Imagine your body is like a temple. Would you fill your temple with junk, or would you offer it clean, pure, nourishing food? The answer is clear. Part 3. Exercise. Movement is life. Modern jobs often mean sitting at a desk, sitting in front of a computer, sitting while watching TV. But our bodies are not designed for sitting all day. Our bodies are designed for movement. Exercise does not mean pain. It does not always mean lifting heavy weights at the gym. Exercise means moving your body with joy. You can walk in the park and feel the fresh air. You can swim and feel light in the water. You can dance to your favorite music. You can practice yoga or martial arts. You can play football, basketball, or just chase your kids around the yard. Even 20 minutes a day makes a difference. 20 minutes of walking, stretching, or jogging can add years to your life. Repeat after me. Movement is medicine. Exercise gives me energy. So don't think of exercise as a punishment. Think of it as a gift to your body. Part 4. Mental health, peace for the mind. Good health is not only about the body. It is also about the mind. In the modern world, we face deadlines, pressure, competition, and stress. Stress is like an invisible enemy. It can raise blood pressure. It can weaken the immune system. It can make you tired, angry, or sad. So how do we take care of our mental health? First, practice deep breathing. Just close your eyes, take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. This simple act calms your nervous system. Second, spend time in nature. Nature is the best free medicine for stress. Third, connect with people. Talk to your friends, your family, your colleagues. Sharing feelings is healing. Fourth, practice meditation or mindfulness. Even 5 minutes of sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, can clear your mind. Repeat after me. A healthy mind creates a healthy body. Part 5. Sleep, the secret medicine. In the modern world, many people do not sleep enough. It begins with us. They watch TV until midnight. They cut their sleep to do more work. But sleep is not a waste of time. Sleep is the body's natural repair system. During sleep, your body heals. Your brain processes memories. Your heart and muscles rest. Without good sleep, you cannot concentrate. You cannot study well. You cannot be truly healthy. So try to sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Go to bed at the same time. Make your room dark and cool. Turn off screens 1 hour before sleeping. Repeat after me. Good sleep is the foundation of good health. Part 6. Balance, the key to modern health. Life in the modern world is full of choices. We have technology, but too much screen time is harmful. We have work, but too much work makes us sick. We have entertainment, but too much distraction wastes our time. So the secret is balance. Balance between work and rest. Balance between healthy food and occasional treats. Balance between online life and real life. Balance between ambition and relaxation. Repeat after me. Health is about balance, not perfection. Don't aim to be perfect. Aim to be consistent. A little progress every day is more powerful than one big change that you cannot maintain. Conclusion and final motivation. So how can we stay healthy in the modern world? The answer is simple but powerful. Build small daily habits. Eat clean, colorful, nourishing food. Move your body every day. Protect your mind from stress. Sleep deeply and regularly. Live in balance. Your health is your future. Without health, you cannot enjoy life. You cannot chase your dreams. You cannot share love with others. Repeat after me. My health is my responsibility. My health is my power. Take care of your body. Take care of your mind. Take care of your future. Thank you for joining today's shadowing lesson. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next session.